इजी क्वेश्चन पास ही नहीं होते भाई, जो पता होते वो लास्ट में आता है।
बता दूं?
हाँ भाई।
तो पहुंचे थे भाई तुम जडेजा तक।
जडेजा ही था क्या यार, जडेजा कौन सा पार्टी आने वाला है यार।
According to X, we loved him some why from the minute we saw his approach and enthusiasm. There was a bit of boy wonder in him, so we have him a longer leash than most. But his lack of discipline was a problem because it sometimes led the younger guys down the wrong path. X referred to Y as rock star when they were teammates in the IPL in 2008. Can you identify X and Y?
So this statement was also in 2008.
Yes.
तो करेक्ट, तो 2008 में कोई यंग इंडियन प्लेयर आया होगा जो पार्टी वार्टी करता होगा, तो वेरी लाइकली what if I answer half of the question, like what if I answer why?
Let's see. Let's see. देखते हैं.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go Y with Virat Kohli and X as Rahul Dravid.
Wrong answer. Pass to Prabal.
Y विराट कोहली, X अनिल कुंबले.
No. Pass to Chotu.
I'll pass this.
So सीधा pass. Okay. 17 points के लिए pass to Alok.
I loved him. There was a bit of boy wonder in him. Longer leash than most. अगर मैं टीम वाइज ब्रेक करूं, केकेआर doesn't seem to have anyone. मुंबई में कोई नहीं. I think why I would go with Virat Kohli. X
Okay.
can be ठीक है, just random guess. पता नहीं वो आरसीबी में था भी या नहीं था. जहीर खान.
नहीं. Wrong answer. Okay. So hint time. So it's not Virat Kohli. Why is not Virat Kohli? Also, it's a young player as well. Why? X was the captain of his team and constantly a rock star. I think this is a popular story. Someone called someone a rock star when they were part of same team in IPL. So if you focus on rock star, probably it's easier. And X is captain of Vice team in IPL. Was captain of Vice team in IPL in 2008. चाहिए और हिंट या इज दिस इनफ? अच्छा, किसका सैटी का है फॉर 10 पॉइंट्स?
रॉकस्टार राजस्थान रॉयल्स का कैप्टन से कोई प्लेयर था क्या? पार्टी आने वाला और कौन है यार? गेल था. गेल तो इतना यंग नहीं हुआ 2008 में. जस्ट अ गेस. I'll go with Hardik Pandya and as Y and X as Sachin. Just definitely नहीं.
हार्दिक पांडे बच्चा था उस वक्त.
Hey भाई.
वो खेला ही नहीं है.
पास टू प्रबल फॉर 9 पॉइंट्स.
Yeah. So X is Shane Warne and Y is Ravindra Jadeja.
यस, जडेजा इज द राइट आंसर. प्रॉपर बोल देते उसको. तो पहुंचे थे भाई तुम जडेजा.
जडेजा ही था क्या यार? जडेजा कौन सा पार्टी आने वाला है यार?
पार्टी नहीं बोला था, डिसिप्लिन प्रॉब्लम बोला था. मतलब look, this player holds the record for bowling the most maiden overs in ODI cricket. He has captained his national team across all three formats and also led Mumbai Indians in the IPL. Additionally, he is the highest wicket taker for his country in ODIs and ranks second for his country in Test wickets. Can you name him?
ठीक है, इसको ऐसे फिगर आउट करते हैं. एमआई को कौन कौन लीड किया है. वो नहीं, ये नहीं. ये अपना ये है क्या, स्लिंगर लसित मलिंगा.
Wrong answer. Pass to Sati for 19 points.
आलोक बहुत जल्दी आंसर दे रहा, तो हमको थोड़ा 2 मिनट दो सोचने का.
सोचना चाहिए था जरा.
हाँ भाई, मलिंगा कहाँ से भाई?
मुंबई इंडियंस में कितने प्लेयर्स थे.
And ran second in test wickets and highest wicket taker for country in ODIs. तो हर कंट्री का अगर हम देखें, ODIs में highest wicket taker पता नहीं. Okay, I'll go for Glenn McGrath.
No, wrong answer. Pass to Prabal for 18.
Sean Pollard.
Yeah, मतलब हाँ, right answer. So 18. ठीक है. Connect this exhaustive list of cricketers arranged in chronological order. Shrivatsa Goswami, Rohit Sharma, Saurabh Tiwari, Iqbal Abdullah, Mandeep Singh, Sanju Samson, Akshar Patel, Shreyas Iyer, Mustafizur Rahman, Basil Thampi, Rishabh Pant, Shubman Gill, Devdutt Padikkal, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Umran Malik, यशस्वी जायसवाल, नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी.
मेरे पास लास्ट में आएगा यार. जो पता होता है वो लास्ट में आता है.
बता दूंगा.
हाँ भाई.
ओ भाई सही है.
आता है भाई, तुमको सोचना पड़ रहा है इधर हमको.
बोले तो लक के ऊपर.
चलो गेस कर लेते हैं. बट यार बेसिल थम्पी को कभी ये अवार्ड कैसे में दे सकते हैं? This players won emerging player award in that respective IPL season.
करेक्ट आंसर. आलोक को मिलता
बट यार बेसिल थम्पी को मिला था.
हाँ एक साल अच्छा किया था बहुत.
केरला के लिए उस टाइम पे
Amul posted this victory design last weekend. We have placed black boxes over the two logos featured in the ad, and we identified the two logos behind the black.
मत करो भाई.
सीएसके और आरआर.
ओके ठीक है. तो बल्लू का करेक्ट आंसर है. बल्लू के 20 पॉइंट्स. फॉर पे यूज नहीं किया.
इजी क्वेश्चन को पास ही नहीं होते भाई.
तुम्हारे सभी मेरी आगे फंस सकते हैं.
हाँ भाई एक बता दिया मैंने.
This moment in the IPL was unforgettable, thanks to the incredible performance by batsman X in 2014. Only thing was running through my mind was not to give up and make it through. So badly wanted to make it to the finals. It will always remain a very special knock for me, said X. Although his team didn't win the match, they achieved remarkable records. X scored the second fastest 50 in IPL history at that time.
Oh, I know.
Their first 100 runs in just 6 overs. Can you identify it?
पावर प्ले ले लो भाई. भाई नेगेटिव नहीं होगा. हम रिपीट क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेते हैं. जी रिमार्केबल रिकॉर्ड एक्सपोर्ट ठीक है. सुरेश रैना चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स पावर प्ले.
Yes, right answer.
यस भाई. ओके
ठीक है. Next.
In the IPL, 53 players have scored centuries. 17 players have won the Man of the Match award in a final. 19 players have taken a hat-trick. 8 players have hit 250 plus sixes. Only one player has achieved all of these milestones. Who is he?
I think Rohit Sharma यार.
Okay. Yes, of course, Rohit Sharma is the right answer. तो क्लू था कि भाई सेंचुरी भी एंड हैट्रिक भी है, बस छुपाने की कोशिश की थी. The composition of our team is such that someone like X bats at 3. If you see the last game, he controlled the game for us. We give him that freedom to play at number 3, and sometimes it doesn't work out. Maxi and AB at 4 and 5 has worked well for us when there's a partnership early. One of them will come out. It didn't work today, but X is a quality player, said Virat Kohli after a 34-run defeat against Punjab Kings during IPL 2021. However, X was released post IPL 2021 after featuring in just 4 matches and when unsold in the IPL 2022 auction. He then got an opportunity to play in IPL 2022 when he was signed as replacement for the injured Lunit Sisodia. X seized this chance, scoring an impressive 333 runs in 7 innings, including a century and 2 half centuries, with an average of 55 and a strike rate of 153. Identify X.
Someone who plays for RCB, been used as a floater. 2021. And then he went unsold as well.
Yeah. So,
IPL 2022. I don't know, is he Mandeep Singh?
no, not Mandeep Singh. Pass to Rahul for 19 points.
Rajat Patidar.
Yes, Rajat Patidar is the right answer. Century was the clue, I think. Why is Mitchell Stark sitting in the stands for a WPL match?
I don't know, probably supporting. I don't know. Supporting his sister, maybe. Who plays?
Do you want to improve your answer? Thoda sa?
No clue.
Okay. Passes to Saurabh for 19 points.
He's supporting his wife Alisa Healy, who plays.
Yes. Ankit was almost there. His sister, but yeah, it was his wife who plays for UP ODS. So, One IPL team is known for its reputation of releasing several outstanding players over the years. Presented here is a graphic from 3 years ago, listing players released by this team with some names obscured. Can you identify the team? There is certain team in IPL which has released like a lot of good players, and it has that
Okay.
reputation of it. And some graphic came 3 years ago saying that this team had released all these players. And
Okay, I want to hit the buzzer.
yeah, okay.
Delhi Daredevils, now known as Delhi Capitals.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, answer is Delhi. So, in 2010, a player was banned from the IPL for breaching contract outside the terms of his existing team. He attempted to arrange a deal with the Mumbai Indians without notifying his team or IPL management, violating the IPL's code of conduct. Who is this seasoned IPL player who has been part of 2 different IPL championship winning franchises? 2010 में कोई प्लेयर बैन हुआ था क्योंकि वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इधर उधर कर रहा था अपना बिना उसकी टीम को बताए, और वो 2 आईपीएल विनिंग टीम्स का पार्ट है.
ठीक है रोहित शर्मा.
Okay, no, not Rohit Sharma. Passes to Saurabh for 19 points.
Please, Saurabh, pass it to me.
Taking a random guess. I can't remember. I'm going to guess Hardik Pandya.
No.
Oh, no, not Hardik Pandya. Passes to Tanish for 18 points.
Good.
That's the right answer.
Oh shit, हाँ.
The only player to have won the purple cap for 2 different IPL franchises was selected in his country's squad for a T20 World Cup, but did not play in any of the tournament's matches. His team was ultimately eliminated in the semi-finals. Who is this player? एक ही प्लेयर है जिसने 2 अलग-अलग फ्रैंचाइजेस के लिए पर्पल कैप जीता है. वो उसके कंट्री के T20 वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड में भी सिलेक्ट हुआ है, बट उस टूर्नामेंट में कोई मैच नहीं खेला है. और उस जिस टूर्नामेंट में वो था, जिस T20 वर्ल्ड कप में, उस टीम में, उस वर्ल्ड कप में उसकी टीम सेमीफाइनल्स में एलिमिनेट हो गई.
Harshal Patel. I think, yeah. Harshal Patel.
Yes, Harshal Patel is the right answer. In a twist of fate, 2 cricketers stand tall at the top of the list for the most IPL titles. While one is the ever-successful Rohit Sharma, the other's journey took an unexpected turn. After being left out of a high-profile tournament, this player vented his frustration in a tweet aimed at the national selectors. That tweet, however, became a defining moment, effectively signaling the end of his international career. Who is this player?
Okay, so power play ले सकता हूँ मैं immediately अभी.
हाँ, ले सकते हो.
Okay, like मैं इसमें अपना पहला power play use करूँगा. Okay, so this player is Ambati Rayudu and the tournament cricket World Cup.
Correct. Excellent answer. Connect this exhaustive list of players: Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Kevin Peterson / Andrew Flintoff, Shane Bond / Kieron Pollard, Gautam Gambhir, Ravindra Jadeja, Glenn Maxwell, Yuvraj Singh, Shane Watson, Ben Stokes, Pat Cummins, Jaydev Unadkat / Varun Chakravarti, Chris Morris, Ishan Kishan, Sam Curran, Mitchell Stark.
Slash का मतलब क्या है?
Slash का मतलब है कि
They both are sharing the same feed.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, अच्छा ये list as in ये order of players.
नहीं, order नहीं है.
But there is
ये
something common in this list.
All of these players have done like one particular thing, or like they have achieved one particular thing. So this is some sort of thing.
First mind goes to कुछ IPL related है. हाँ, IPL में मे बी जो 1 साल बैन मतलब फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए खेले थे वो RPS मतलब कुछ वैसा रिलेटेड. I don't know.
No, not that. Passes to Aditya for 19 points.
हाँ, so इसका आंसर है कि more expensive player coming out from each auction, be it small or large, from every season of the IPL in order wise, right? Starting from 2008 Mahendra Singh Dhoni till Mitchell Stark from last IPL. Every auction, small, big.
Excellent. That's the right answer. Most expensive player in each IPL auction. So Aditya
Auction,
gets
yeah,
19
correct.
points.
Small, big.
Yeah, small, big, anything. Well done to Aditya. Up until 2022, 2 talented cricketers from the same country had made their mark as key players for their respective IPL franchises, playing pivotal roles in their team's successes. However, when the 2023 season arrived, they took on new responsibilities, trading their player kits for coaching gear. One stepped in as a batting coach, while the other took charge as a bowling coach. Both continued to contribute to their franchises, but now from the sidelines. Can you name these 2 players?
ये किरण पोलार्ड है एज बैटिंग कोच, उसने चला गया था मुंबई इंडियंस में ही, और लसित मलिंगा एज बॉलिंग कोच. सेम टीम से जाना है या फिर किसी और से? एक सेकंड, मैं ये क्लैरिफाई करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि बॉलिंग कोच तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं ना, तो मैं इसलिए वो राजस्थान रॉयल्स में चला गया था 2023 में, एज बॉलिंग कोच बन गया था लसित मलिंगा।
मतलब जैसे पढ़ोगे तो 2022 तक सेम कंट्री से दो
हाँ,
टैलेंटेड क्रिकेटर्स है
अच्छा सेम
जो
कंट्री से है ना, सेम कंट्री से। हाँ ठीक है ठीक है, तो फिर ये डीजे ब्रावो, सॉरी डी सेम कंट्री है तो डीजे ब्रावो वहाँ सीएसके।
ओके यस एक्सेप्ट
हाँ ठीक है।
तो
मैं सेम वो
यस
टीम समझ रहा था आईपीएल पे, सॉरी।
हाँ ओके ओके कोई नहीं